Uh-oh. That's Ryeese. Bites baby girl instantly. Baby girl's don't tend to do anything. Baby girl's not striking back. But she still is attacked, even though she got pushed under the bed. Is she getting up? No, she's just chewing the rug. Stop biting me, puppy. Who will win this? If she does not fight in 3 seconds, she will be disqualified.
Ryeese, stop chewing.
Ryeese, if you don't fight
Ryeese, Mama's gonna get
baby,
from her.
baby girl. Oh, just in time. Baby girl now tends to fight back. Fire with fire, people. Fire with fire. She still tends to beat her. They're winning right now. Ryeese still not giving up. But she's fighting her hardest. She's fighting her. Hey, come on, Ryeese. Who will win this? This might be a close match. This will right. Might be right. Ow. Stupid puppy bit me. They're winning. Who's winning? Yeah! Baby girl still tends to push her. Yeah!
Ryeese won.
Ryeese, if you don't fight, you will be disqualified.
Ryeese already.
5, 4,
Baby girl.
3, 2, 1. Is she going to fight? No.